may wish to clarify or ask our position about when it comes to the developments happening around the country concerning the office. So, fire away.
Medyo obvious, no? Yung recantation, sir, nung 3 of 8, no? Do we
Okay.
know kung sino na itong apat na to? For sure. Alam niyo.
I think we know. Ito lang sasabihin ko dyan, no? They executed 2 affidavits already. And the first affidavit was the 18 of them signing the same statement, which of course we found deficient. But still, consistent with the affidavit, these 8 people issued individual affidavits in front of our people here in the ombudsman. The assistant ombudsman were present when they did that, and they were asked questions about answering the questions freely with their own with their own free will. I think that it's very clear that they were very comfortable signing the affidavit at the time. So, what gives? Usual. Ito yung punto na we should look at the lawyers again on the role of lawyers in our society. Kasi, lawyers, you're supposed to defend your client to the very end. Tama yan. Pero, when you start obstructing justice and start coming up with schemes to frustrate the ends of justice, then you become complicit in the crimes committed. Kaya, ano yan, mabigat yan. And we will make sure that Attorney Baligod will be there to answer questions, even before the court. And of course, we know these people freely on their own went with one of the ombudsman people to go to the locations, and they were the ones who pointed at specific locations where they delivered the money. Oh, meron yan. So, we will ask them who were their lawyers, and we will ask the courts to discipline them when the time comes, when the proper time comes. I think we've had enough of these antics of the lawyers. No? Enough antics. And if they think that it's the same thing over and over again, that they can just play hardball with us while violating their code of ethics, then watch out. We will not let it pass. Hindi namin palalampasin to. It's up to them. If they really want to fight it out that way, dirty, then we will just go to the Supreme Court and ask them to be defrocked and to be taken out of the role of attorneys.
Sir, sinong lawyer po yung nire-refer nila?
No, I don't know. We will ask to whom it may be concerned.
Okay.
Whoever they are. Kahit sino pa sila.
Sir, just a couple of more, no? Direct na. May allegation na somebody from the ombudsman, I don't know who, hindi naman nakalagay dun sa affidavit, no? Na may prepared statement, he was threatened to sign it. Just that allegation, sir, your comment, please.
Yun nga, sinabi ko nga eh. Meron rin naman kami recording eh.
Okay.
Ng lahat eh. Na nangyari eh. May recording kami ng lahat. Kaya, okay lang yan. Kasi nga, some lawyers think that it's still the same old days, that they can frustrate the ends of justice that way. We will not take it sitting down. Lalabanan namin sila hanggang dulo. We will identify them and make sure that they get dropped from the role of attorneys.
Sir, just last.
Play dirty, then you have to face up to the consequences of playing dirty with us. With the Filipino people, ha? Hindi lang kami. Taong bayan yan.
Sir, last na lang. What is the legal status po of the counter affidavits? Because basically, the way...
No. The counter affidavits are there for us to use. The affidavits are there for us to use, and we will use them. Okay. And if they want to recant it, so be it. But it will be in court already.
Okay. Sir, does it weaken or strengthen your case against the speaker?
Actually, neither. It doesn't weaken or strengthen. But of course, it just points out to the fact that there are people working on his behalf to obstruct the ends of justice.
Can we elaborate, please?
Making people lie.
Who's making people lie?
Kami, kaya namin takutin ng Marines. Tatakutin namin sila. Ayaw nga nila ng protection eh. Kasi nga kaya nila yung sarili nila eh. Paano sila matatakutin? Di ba? We're offering them security and people here are present. We're there when the Marines, may nakangiti pa, may tumatawa pa nga eh. May kinikilig pa nga habang pumipirma eh. Tuwan-tuwa eh. Oh.
Sir, doon na po sa fabricated na affidavit, dinadawit ng sinasabi na pinipilit ng ombudsman na idawit si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Bakit po kaya?
Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung affidavits. Pero basta ako, I stand by the work that we do here.
Pero wala pong pagpipilit mula po sa ombudsman na papirmahin sila ng panibagong pinabit?
Wala. Whatever they signed before stands. And they will be examined in accordance with the statements they made. Hindi sila, we will not, if they have to be treated as hostile witnesses, so be it. But their testimonies will be there in front of people to show that people who stole money are willing to frustrate the ends of justice so they can get away with what they did. Gusto nila makawala, subukan nila. Pero ito, we stand by it and we will present it in court. Mike.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon po. Lianas Kapan, TJMA News Online. Sir, yung Council of Record po kasi at that time of these ex-bodyguards is Attorney Baligod.
Yes.
Do you feel that Attorney Baligod somehow intentionally misled the ombudsman and the ex-bodyguards as well? Given
Baligod
the
is a very colorful character. That's what he is. I mean, from the PDAF days, you do your research on what Mr. Baligod did during the PDAF cases of Napoles. Pag-aralan nyo.
colorful meaning, sir, he's not always
he's
in good faith?
Pag-aralan nyo yung ginawa niya. You do your research, I'm telling you, about what he did in the PDAF cases.
Sir,
Diba?
given that...
It's a challenge on you as journalist. Investigate nyo. Tingnan nyo. Don't ask me. You ask around. I'm not the best source for what kind of person he is. I think other people can tell you.
Sir, given these recent developments, can you say na trustworthy pa ba si Attorney Baligod?
Was he ever?
Okay. Sir, i-ano ko lang, sir, yung second question ko po. Asking confirmation lang po if indeed the Ombudsman filed 9 counts of graft against Congressman Noel Rivera of Tarlac.
Yes, we did.
Flood control cases
Yes.
po ba ito?
Conflict of interest. May kasamang flood control.
Conflict of interest, sir, as to why? Meron ba siya...
Contractor.
Meron siyang sariling construction firm na nanalo ng
Contractor.
may government contract?
Contractor.
Okay, sir. Thank you po. Sir, yung next ko po, what can we expect from the Ombudsman now that the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee deferred all flood control investigations po sa inyong office?
It's really about time that it's given to us. All the evidence and all the statements are given to our office to do it. Ano yan eh? Meron na namang process na ginagawa to make sure that the ends of justice are met. And we're doing it. We're here every day. Kahit kahapon, walang pasok lahat, andito kami. Pumapasok kami, nagkatrabaho kami.
Will this speed
You
up?
were here. I think you know that. Oh.
Will this speed up the filing of cases po before the Sandigan Bayan or any
Yung
other
ano,
lower
yung-
courts?
Yung
Kayo, since Ombudsman na lang po yung mag-investigate, mas speed up po ba yung filing of cases?
Well, it was a big help when the Senate was giving us the evidence. But I think that we have learned our way through already. Ano na kami? We're almost 10 months in office. Almost 10 months na kami. By, was it Monday? Ano ba ngayon? Monday ba? Oh, I was appointed 10 months ago on Monday. So that should be by that time, our learning curve is there already. Natutunan na namin yung dapat matutunan dito. Yung sumandal. Yung sumandal.
Opo.
Malalaki likod dyan.
Sir, update lang po on the Ombudsman's bid to enlist former Public Works Chief Manny Bonoan as state witness. Tuloy po pa po ba yun?
We are still, he will be our witness. And we will act on the proper time. We're not frustrated by that. It's okay. It's something that the court, in its exercise of discretion, may not grant to us immediately, but it will happen. Yes, ang MR kami. Tsaka, hindi, he will still be a witness for us. He will cooperate with the government.
Sir, meaning regardless kung ma-discharge siya dun sa existing cases,
I think that's
pwede pa rin siyang maging
pwede pa rin
witness sa
naman.
iba?
Hindi naman sa regardless. We still want him to be given a special status kasi nga, he's a cooperating witness. I think that it's very common in criminal law to have cooperating witnesses treated better than others.
Sir Camille po from TV5. Sir, balikan ko lang po yung kay Martin Romualdez. So, I believe, sir, na you mentioned na po before na isa rin po sa mga pinagbasehan no, para dun sa application po ng PHDO against Romualdez, yung naging affidavit nga po nitong 18.
Among others.
Among
others.
sir.
I mean, that's not the only evidence that we have. Marami kami ibang ebidensya pa.
Pero sir, ano lang po yung assurance sa public? Kasi baka po isipin nila na, ayan na, nag-recant na yung iba, baka naman hindi na tatayo
Ang recantation
ito.
is frowned upon by the courts. That is the way that the courts are supposed to treat recantations. Especially, ito nga, twice na nag-issue ng testimonies against Romualdez itong mga to. Kaya, when we bring them up as hostile witnesses, makikita nyo naman lalabas namin sila as hostile witnesses.
Sir, what will happen doon sa apat na since nag-recant sila, itong affidavit ay
They'll be
dadalhin
charged.
ba dito?
They'll be charged.
What charge, sir?
To be part of the, as part of the, we will do it. We will, as one of the accused. Na-charge namin sila.
In which case?
That's
sir?
natural. That's natural. Kasi nga, kaya nga hindi sila chinarge. Kasi nga, tumitestigo sila. Pag hindi sila tumestigo, di charge namin sila. O, co-accused na sila.
Co-accuse sila ni Martin. Romualdez.
Magiging co-accused sila. Meron silang
In what particular
accessories.
case, sir?
Accessories after the fact. Covering up. Pinagtatakpan nila. Ano? Di ba? Kung ano ang nagpalit sa kanilang isipan, kayo na mag-usga. Alangan naman ako magsabi kung ano nangyari dyan.
Sir, na-interview din po itong si Attorney Baligod sa Las Piñas Court kasi nag-post sila ng bail doon sa kaso po na final po ni na Representative De Lima. Sa interview po sinabi ni Attorney Baligod na itong apat daw po ay inamin, yung may ilan daw po doon sa kanila na umamin na inaalok nga daw po ng pera para nga bumaliktad.
Hindi ko alam Kaya nga sabi ko nga yung credibility niya, credibility ng witnesses, we will see them in court. Sa korte na yan. Kasi you may make a big thing out of it, but I tell you, it's to our advantage. Makikita mo talaga how desperate that camp is to take away the witnesses against them because we have built a solid case already.
Okay, you're referring to a camp that is
Yes.
taking away the
The camp
witnesses?
of the accused.
Sir, sa'yo naman galing, sir.
The camp of the accused. You know what we're talking about?
So you think...
The camp of former Speaker Romualdez, his lawyers, his strategists, his advisors, yung mga tumutulong sa kanya, kasama na yan. I wish I could give the other names, but wag muna. Saka na natin sabihin yung mga ibang pangalan.
Kumaga, they're chipping away the...
They're trying to do it. Yeah. They're trying to do it.
Okay.
They're desperate.
Sir, just to clarify, you're saying po na posible na ang kampo po ni na Martin Romualdez ang nasa likod sa pag-recant
Siyempre,
ng apat?
siyempre. Sino pa? Sino pa ba ibang makikinabang dyan pag nag-recant yan? O, di ba? O.
Sir, naging careless po ba ang ombudsman dun sa sunod-sunod na parang pagkatalo ng ombudsman, yung pagbasura ng Sandigan Bayan na malit sa mga kaso, si dating DPW Secretary Manuel Bunuan, tapos upang maging state witness laban kay dating speaker, ang pagkakalob ng anti-graft ng piyansa kay dating Senador Bong Revilla.
Oh.
Tapos itong pag-atras ng
Meron na bang final decision?
wala pa naman. Pero may
So tanong ko sa iyo, pag may wala pang final decision,
Yes, sir.
ano 'yon? This is a long war. And it's only a battle. And it's not even finished. Those battles are not even finished yet. Marami pa yan. Marami pa kami paglalabanan dyan.
May epekto po ba yun, Secretary, sir, dun sa, sa tumatakbong kaso ng ombudsman laban sa flood control?
Anong epekto? Anong tanong yan? What question is that? What's your question? Next question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, so sa madaling sabi lang ano po sa para sa mga
Parang
ordinaryo.
kargado kasi. Hindi, parang kargado lang. Parang gano'n lang.
Anyway, sir, sa madali lang maunawaan ng mga kababayan natin dahil pumutok nga kagabi yung recantation issue na to. So, ibig sabihin po nito, paninindigan ng ombudsman yung pong mga nauna nilang sinabi at
Paninindigan
yung
namin.
pong doon.
At mayroong maglalabas kami ng testigo na sa lahat ng pangyayari sa pagpirma ng mga affidavit.
So, yung recant nila ron, sir, bahala na po sila kung sa korte po nila gagawin yun.
Mm.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Ah.
Ombudsman,